YouTube as a career. Is it safe and sustainable? Hello, aspiring content creators and curious viewers, and welcome back to Heal the Facts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many in this digital age, making YouTube a career. Is it safe, sustainable, and a path worth pursuing? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons, potential challenges, and ways to navigate the world of YouTube as a career option. Let's get started. The appeal of a YouTube career. To begin, let's acknowledge the allure of a YouTube career. Creativity and passion. You can pursue your creative passions and share your interests with a global audience. Flexibility. YouTube offers flexibility in terms of content creation and working hours. Income potential. Successful YouTubers can earn substantial income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The reality of a YouTube career. While the appeal is evident, there are important realities to consider. Saturation. The YouTube platform is highly saturated, making it competitive to stand out. Income variability. Earnings can be unpredictable, relying on factors like views, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Burnout. Consistent content creation can lead to burnout and creative exhaustion. Building a sustainable YouTube career. Building a sustainable YouTube career requires strategic planning. Content strategy. Define your niche and target audience to create content that resonates. Consistency. Regular uploads and a consistent posting schedule are key. Diversify income streams. Explore multiple revenue sources, including merchandise, affiliate marketing, and crowdfunding. The importance of community. A supportive and engaged community can be your lifeline. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and build a connection with your viewers. Collaborate. Partner with other YouTubers for mutual growth. Feedback. Listen to your audience's feedback to improve your content. Challenges and risks. Let's not overlook the challenges and risks. Algorithm changes. YouTube's algorithms can affect your visibility and earnings. Monetization requirements. Meeting YouTube's monetization requirements can take time. Online harassment. Be prepared for potential online harassment and negativity. Financial planning. Financial planning is crucial. Savings. Save a portion of your earnings for emergencies and unpredictable income months. Taxes. Understand tax implications and set aside funds accordingly. Healthcare and benefits. As a YouTuber, you may need to consider healthcare and retirement planning. Seeking support and education. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. YouTube Creator Academy. YouTube offers free resources and courses for content creators. Mentorship. Seek guidance from experienced YouTubers or join creator communities. Alternative paths. YouTube isn't the only path to a creative career. Freelancing. Consider freelancing in your niche, offering services related to your content. Online courses. Create and sell online courses based on your expertise. Traditional employment. Pursue a creative job in your field while maintaining your YouTube channel as a side project. Conclusion. In conclusion, a YouTube career can be rewarding, but it comes with its challenges and uncertainties. To answer the question, is YouTube safe as a career option? It can be if you approach it strategically, with a clear plan, resilience, and a genuine passion for content creation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Heal the Facts for more insights on pursuing a creative career. Remember, your journey is unique, and your creativity is your greatest asset. Until next time, may your YouTube career be safe, sustainable, and filled with creativity.